We decided to come and base ourselves on Cat Bar Island, which is much cheaper and it has easy day access to Howlong Bay.
So today we're going out on a boat for the day.
We have come overnight from Sapa on the train to Cat Bar Island.
One of the things we really wanted to do in Vietnam was visit Ha Long Bay, but when we started researching it, it turns out that the normal sort of tours around Ha Long Bay are really overpriced, or you can get a really budget one and spend a few days living with loads of cockroaches, so neither of these options really appealed to us.
So instead, we decided to come and base ourselves on Cat Bar Island, which is much cheaper and it has easy day access to Howlong Bay.
So today we're going out on a boat for the day. Fortunately it's not quite the right weather for it, but it's meant to be worse tomorrow.
We are hoping it clears up later today.
So at the last minute we got told that our tour was actually full and we've been put on a different one. Not really sure what to expect, but I'm pretty sure we're still going out into the bay and there's some kayaking involved. Made it to the side. Pretty round here, much more pretty than Cat Bar town is. And this is what we've got to look forward to for the day, going out amongst all these limestone casts.
So I still have no clue what we're going to be doing. We're just sort of being ferried about. I think we're going to do some kayaking. Typical Asia problems, right? We are on the boat. So just talking to our guide, and we're in Han Lan Bay. And there's something like 500 fish farms on the villages around the bay, mostly groupers, which we've been seeing in town in a lot of the tanks for restaurants. The water temperature is a lot colder than I was expecting, apparently 18 degrees, so I'm probably not looking forward to swimming. Kayaking should be fun though.
Time to go kayaking, so we're switching to the GoPro. We're in the kayak, just waiting for the rest of the group to get in theirs. Then we're going to go off and explore this bay.
Very surprised to see coral skeletons. I guess at one time this was a huge reef, but it's just kind of covered in debris now. But the water's surprisingly clear. It looks really green on camera, but actually it is quite clear. But no signs of life down there other than some sea urchins. I stand corrected. Actually, there does look like there's some live corals down there, which I'm very surprised to see in this temperature water. Good news.
shame. This would be like an outstandingly beautiful lagoon we've just come into, but top of the water is just covered with plastic bottles and polystyrene and plastic bags all floating here. It's a real shame to see this. Back to the boat. That was good fun.
Kayaking was really good, but I am starving.
It's all limestone out here, which is essentially like a mass graveyard of old marine life, plankton and everything that gathered together. All the cracks and slants that you can see in them, sometimes they're very like too perfect. That's from tectonic plates pushing up and causing those uneven cracks. It's no birthday cake, but it's the best we can do on short notice. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Ollie. Happy birthday to you. Blow out the candles. Oh, that's great, guys.
So we've cruised across the bay and now it's time to head out in the kayaks again. Unfortunately, the sun has gone away as well. The kayak, but we've had a fatality.
I broke the paddle.
You pedal? And we're off. Did you need the toilet?
It's been a really, really good way to just see like all over Halong Bay and a lot of the casts and the bays like closer to Cat Bar Island. Going out to a kayak, finding deserted beaches like this. Yes, it's a nice way to do it without spending a fortune on an overnight junk. And this was apparently one of the first walls that they ever set up any rock climbs here. No one climbs here anymore though.
Lost our group, but they mentioned crawling, so we're going to give this a go. This is really easy to do when you've got a camera in hand.
So did everyone else go here?
I think so.
Yeah. Looked like
We were kind of left behind, so we weren't sure, but there was crawl marks in.
So we found the rest of our group. It turns out crawling through that was the right way, and we're on this like completely deserted little cove. It's really cool.
We're going to a lagoon next, so come to another beach. What have you found?
Found fish, like a tiny bit of a living coral.
don't like caves at the best of times, and now I've got to go through here. This is like my least favourite place to be. In a cave with the sea lapping against me.
Could be worse. There could be snakes in the cave.
Well, I think that's unlikely right here, but... It's awesome. I still don't like being in caves though. Or I don't like, at least, I just don't like having too much stuff above my head. This bird is like so loud. It's really cool to come out from the cave just hearing nothing but like the sea crashing and then into like silence and the bird. Well, that is one way to go fishing. If your hands are busy smoking and fishing, row with your feet. So although we started off a little bit shaky, not really knowing what we were going to do, it actually turned out to be probably a better day for us, and we both really enjoyed it.